Hi. Long time no see in my life. I'm almost going to bed, but before I go to bed, I just want to say hi to everyone watching my live for tonight's live. Hello to my 8 viewers. Thank you for coming. Goodness, where's my? I'm good, but a little worried as of what's happening to our all around the world. We have war. Everybody got a hard life, especially me in Philippines. Look, my lipstick is araw kape. Hi to my 5 viewers. Thank you for watching. And with my son, oh, look, mak is at my back. Hindi ako ay tubig dito. Tay, kung tubig na. Ibutang na. Wala. Patutlas mo dito. Makmak is my son. Hi to my look so beauty. What? To my son is eating. Thank you for my poor like that. Never mapaspasin naman eh. Oh, you have many. Look like. Hindi na tong bagmak. Hello. Ano ito kung bag? Ayan. Na, puso. Ibalik na lang baso dito, mak. May mak. Get up. Mak, balik. Mahiyang na diha. Ay, nan. Ang hulog na damak. Ayaw lang na dito na naibutang. Ang lamisa. Sana po siya. Mataplasin na diha. Nako, dagan kay kuan mak. Mak. Comment guys, comment. Hi, 2 times nga most time na miss ganda. Oh, long time. I don't love because so busy at night. I sleep early. So when I love in the morning, nobody what. No, guys, I have a problem in my sleep. Hi, everyone. Good evening. So I take my medicine so I can sleep good. This is my most problem. I can't sleep well. Sometimes when I okay naman, taga mo pala. Eh, natulog na sana ako. So, nakakalimutan ko magla-live pala ako. Just want to go live. After this, I'm going to Hala, butang yung tubig ha. Pag magkuhan ka. Take ba? Ha? Ako toothbrush na ito. Yandag na na ako. Kumusta?